Hey guys, I just woke up maybe like 2 minutes ago, and I just wanted to show you something. This is the box of a 1/100 high-grade Gundam, which turned out to be, well, not this exact one, but about this size right here. And this is a 160 perfect grade box. Let me open this bad boy. Shit! Oh, man. It's even got its own handle with it. I'm not gonna even, like, bother with building this right now because I gotta go to work in probably another 45 minutes, so there's a 0% chance of me even putting, like, 6 pieces together on this thing. But I will open it and show you how many pieces there is. I probably should have just used the tripod and the flip for this, but the webcam was easier at first. Shit, there's a nick in the box. It's like open on the latch or something. Oh man. This is the instruction manual with it, which is 25 pages long. This is so complex. Can't wait to build this. Alright. These are all the pieces right here. There's literally a shit ton of pieces. And the pieces that they actually use, I don't know if you're familiar with building these or not. Some of you are, some of you aren't. But they don't use stuff like this in any other grades. This is like, you know, the metallic looking, the gold looking. They don't use stuff like this. When we get gold stuff in the 1/100 grades, it's yellow. It's not like this. Oh man. Here's here's the blade. I don't know if you can see the actually, let me open this up. No, there's stickers or something in there. I don't want to do that. He's got his katana blade right here. I don't know if my camera's actually picking it up, but there's actually a hamon on his blade. You know, the little wave? Man. Well, there's more stuff down here, too. Oh, I got a seed. Short little, like, manga book. Astray Red little manga book. I didn't know that he was in the seed universe, though. I'll have to check this out. Looks pretty cool. It's all in Japanese, though. I can't really read Japanese like that, but I guess I'll just look at the pictures. They went all out on this. Yeah, you can see the hamon. It's not like exactly shown like that. They probably did something to enhance it. That's the hamon. But look at the detail on this thing, though. Wow. I just want to call out today and just build this shit, but can't do that. This shit is huge. What else you got? There's actually some water slide stickers as well. Now, you guys see that's stickers right there. That's regular stickers. But these, well, these right here are water transfer stickers. I've never used those before, so it's gonna be interesting and possibly quite irritating putting those on because you gotta dip them in water. You gotta cut it out from the cardboard, and you gotta dip it in water, and then slide the back of the transfer off, and then slide it on there. It's gonna be a pain, I'm sure, but whatever. Kind of reminds me of like that transfer icing that you get on a cake. It's like a sheet of printed icing. You know, if you get like a special character on a cake or something. Kind of reminds me of that, except for you can't eat it. Oh man. And it's something else it came with. It's actually a hair in the box. Huh? Whatever, I'm gonna get off here and try not to go crazy and build this thing. I'll see you guys later.